We're going to be looking at section B of the IGCSE Language exam. So, again, this is, let's see here, no, that's section B. This is B1, question 5. Section B is split into two questions, one pertaining to the anthology piece and then one being a free writing exercise related to the topic of the anthology piece. So in this exam, the anthology piece that is given is Taking on the World. You guys remember that? Right? This is the one, Ellen MacArthur sailing. You guys remember that? Actually, I don't need that. So the types of questions that you're going to get, or the type of question that you're going to get is like this. What might the reader find remarkable about Ellen MacArthur's character from this passage? You should refer closely to the passage to support your answer, which means, what does that mean, refer closely to the passage? Quotations, yes. Or summary of what the author is saying. That's fine. You may include brief quotations. Do not take a chunk out of the text and then pop it in there, okay? This is my grading criteria. Examiners should refer to the following bullet points and then to the table to come to an overall judgment. Examiners must reward all valid points that show an engagement with the text and an insight into writer's technique. So here are all the points that I may check. Okay, she's remarkable. She's remarkably sensible and practical. She's a perfectionist. Copes with the cold. Physically very strong and persistent. She conquers an alien landscape. It goes on and on and on. Okay, there's a lot of points that you can make. Eventually, I have to put it into one of these categories. Okay, so I have to give you, it's a judgment call, and it's whichever fits the best. So if you're beginning to show familiarity with a wider range of techniques, and you may select some relevant sections of the text, then I'm going to put you into the 5-6 range. But if almost all of your points are relevant and all the quotations that you use are relevant, then I'll put you into the 7, 8, 9, 10 range. Yeah. Well, you have to make perceptive points. It's often like what you might envision as being like fulfilling the requirements of the question often fits into the second tier, not even the top tier. So the second tier means that you understand, you've chosen good quotes, and you can show meaning and effect. But number 9, 10, or the 9, 10 range is much more like perceptive. You are creative with your understanding of the writer's technique and appreciation for the writer's technique, those sorts of things. So yeah, but spelling, punctuation, and grammar is not in here. Is not in here. Okay. When is spelling, punctuation, and grammar part of the grading criteria? C and B2. C and B2. Huh?
You actually be able to write text on that. And they would be as good